In today's video, I am going to teach you how to book a conference room for your Microsoft Outlook meeting. We'll be using Outlook desktop app. This process is quick once you know where everything lives, and I'll point out a few helpful options along the way so you can avoid scheduling hiccups. Start by opening your Outlook calendar. At the top, choose New Meeting or New Event. Both open the same editor on the web if you are inviting others. Think of it as a meeting. Give your meeting a clear title and confirm the date and time so the room you pick matches the schedule you need. If you already know who's attending, add their names in the attendees field so Outlook can check everyone's availability together with the room. Next, open the Room Finder. Click in the Location field, then select Rooms or Room Finder. This opens a panel that helps you narrow down the right space without guessing. You can filter by building if your organization has multiple sites, by capacity to fit your head count, by floor to keep the team nearby, and by specific features like a display, video conferencing, or a whiteboard. These filters save time and help ensure the room actually supports what you plan to do in the meeting. From the list of matching rooms, choose the one that fits best. When you select a room, Outlook adds it to the location line and includes it in the invite as a resource, which is what allows it to be reserved. If a room shows as unavailable for your chosen time, it will be indicated here, so you can pick another option before moving on. Before you send anything, open the Scheduling Assistant. This view lays out your attendees and the room on a timeline so you can confirm everyone is free. If you see conflicts, you can nudge the meeting time or switch to a different room from the suggestions. For repeating meetings, glance across the series to make sure the room is consistently available, since a room might be free next week but not the week after. Once the time works for everyone and the room, click Send. Outlook sends the invitations to attendees and books the room. Most organizations configure rooms to auto-accept when available, so you should see a confirmation in your calendar. If something changes later, update the meeting and send the revision so the room holds the correct time. That's it. Your conference room is booked, and your meeting is on the calendar. Thanks for watching.